name is Narvi, Managing Director for Exit 21, located in 10 Dominica Drive, New Kingston, which is your destination spot.
My name is Sachar McFadden. I am the sous chef here at Exit 21. We offer dishes such as stuffed chicken breast, barbecue ribs, blackened salmon. We have wings in different varieties, buffalo, barbecue, sweet chili, or homemade fire exit sauce. We have a variety of pasta dishes as well. We offer to Rastafarians with 3 beef burgers or Rasta pastas, and we offer sandwiches, burgers, different shrimp dishes, peppered shrimp, garlic shrimp, curried shrimp, and many other more. Our customer favorite dish is by far the chicken pastas, the stuffed chicken breasts, the barbecue ribs, also our salmon. Those are popular dishes that we always have to prepare every day.
Exit 21 is a space in which you can come and dine here, where you dine on the ground floor and you have a vibe on the second floor. So it's a 2-in-1 experience for our guests. What better place to choose than Exit 21? We give you value for your money, where in terms of experience, the food, the consistency, and also the ambience and the atmosphere. The staff is very warm, welcoming, and also the experience on a whole is very unique to Kingston and Jamaica.